Hello, fitness enthusiasts. If you're on the hunt for the perfect treadmill to elevate your home workouts, you're in the right place. Today, we are diving into the top 5 treadmills available on Amazon in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned runner or just starting your fitness journey, there's something here for everyone. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. NordicTrack T Series 10 Treadmill. The NordicTrack T Series 10 treadmill is a high-performance machine designed for serious runners. It boasts a 3.0 chp motor, reaching speeds up to 12 mph, and an incline range of 0 to 12%. The 10 touchscreen offers interactive iFit workouts, providing a dynamic training experience. Pros: high-speed capabilities suitable for intense workouts. Interactive iFit training with a vast library of workouts. Adjustable incline for varied training. Space-saver design for easy storage. Cons: assembly can be time-consuming. Monthly iFit subscription required for full features. Ideal for runners seeking a robust treadmill with interactive features. The NordicTrack T Series 10 offers a premium experience at a competitive price point. Number 2. Folding Treadmill with Incline, 3.0 HP quiet motor. This folding treadmill features a 3.0 HP motor, supporting speeds up to 7.6 mph. It includes a 15% manual incline, Bluetooth speakers, and a pulse sensor. The wide belt and LED display enhance the user experience, making it suitable for home use. Pros: wide 3.0 HP motor suitable for various workouts. Incline feature adds intensity to workouts. Bluetooth speakers for entertainment. Compact and foldable design for easy storage. Cons: manual incline adjustment may be less convenient. Limited interactive features compared to higher-end models. A budget-friendly option for those seeking essential features without breaking the bank. Number 3. Walking Pad Treadmill with 12% 9-level auto incline. This compact treadmill offers a 12% auto incline with 9 levels, supporting up to 450 pounds. It features an RGB LED screen, Bluetooth speakers, and is designed for under-desk use, making it perfect for home offices. Pros: high weight capacity suitable for various users. Auto incline feature for varied workouts. Compact design ideal for small spaces. Bluetooth speakers and LED display enhance user experience. Cons: limited speed range may not suit all fitness levels. Not designed for running. Best for walking. Perfect for those looking to stay active while working or for light walking exercises. Number 4. THERUN Incline Treadmill, 0 to 15% auto incline. The THERUN Incline Treadmill offers a 3.5 HP motor with speeds up to 7.6 mph. It features a 0 to 15% auto incline, heart rate monitoring, and app connectivity. The wide belt and folding design make it suitable for home use. Pros: high motor power supports various workouts. Wide belt for comfortable running. Auto incline feature adds workout variety. App connectivity for tracking progress. Cons: assembly may require assistance. Higher price point compared to some competitors. A versatile treadmill offering advanced features for users seeking a comprehensive workout experience. Number 5. Proform Carbon TLX Treadmill. The Proform Carbon TLX is a folding treadmill featuring a 3.0 chp motor, 12% incline, and iFit compatibility. Its space-saver design allows for easy storage, and the built-in fan adds comfort during workouts. Pros: iFit compatibility for interactive training. Space-saver design for compact storage. Built-in fan for added comfort. Suitable for various fitness levels. Cons: iFit subscription required for full access. Assembly may be challenging for some users. A solid choice for those seeking interactive workouts and space-saving design. That's a wrap on our review of the top 5 treadmills on Amazon in 2025. Remember, the best treadmill for you depends on your specific fitness goals, available space, and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.